YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is my sewing and yarn vlog. I think it's number 18 and it'll probably be the last one this year because I am hoping to do Vlogmas. So we shall see how that goes, whether I can keep up with it. At the moment I haven't had a chance to do that much because we've been doing our shower room, and I'll put a picture up here, but we've just got to the stage where we're tiling it today. So my husband's been off quite a few weeks now, either side of when we went to Cyprus, and so I've been helping him and sort of handing him bits and pieces and stuff like that, so I haven't had much chance to sit and do my crafting. So but I will show you what I've been up to. I've made the three, I was making a set, Luna's ballet wrap cardigan. I was making a set for each of my granddaughters. This is my one, and I bought the kit to do my one, and the ball of wool came, and it was a 25 gram of wool, and when I'd finished doing this little cardigan there was 20 grams left still, so I thought, oh, I might get the other three out. So here they are, and I'll put a picture up here as well. But yes, so there's three little cardigans. I haven't sewn them together yet, but yeah, so three little cardigans all waiting to be put together, and I've even got enough wool left, well, hopefully to sew them together. And then I started making one of the ballet slippers. So I've done one, so I've got to do the other one to make the pair, and then I'll see how I go with what's left. But yes, there's quite a bit left, so I might get a couple of pairs out of that. The cardigans, I found them reasonably easy. Some people have said they've really struggled. I think the trick is to really follow the pattern to the letter. I write it all down in my book, ticking it off as I go along. I don't chance trying to do it from memory. What you actually do is, when you do the sleeve, you do the first sort of 20 rows like that, and then you add it on to the cardigan when you get this far, and then you work them up. So this detail here, which looks like they're sewn together, isn't. You're doing that when you're knitting two together, and as you decrease, it makes that nice little decorative bit that looks like you've sewn them on, but you haven't. So I found they went together really quickly, and you've got this nice detail at the bottom here where you put the ribbon in all along the bottom, which is what I did on that one, as you can see. And yes, I'm really pleased with them. So I'm hopefully going to get a chance to put them together, and they'll be for my granddaughters. Two of them have got Luna's and one's got Clementine. So that's what they're going to go for, and then I've just got to put the skirts together. But I bought some more tulle off the Cool Crafting website so that I could finish a skirt each for them, so I got to do that. The other thing I had, my arm's been aching because I had my booster jab, so that sort of held me back with the knitting, but I'm full swing now. Also, I don't know if you remember in my last vlog, I talked about getting the Crochet Society Advent calendar box, and I'll put a picture up here of the box I got. And I think I can I lift it, show you? Yes, that's it there. So when I opened it, it was damaged on the side, and I put a picture up of the damage. And also this drawer is sort of dented where it's damaged. So I sellotaped it up at the side, as you can probably see from the picture. And one of my subscribers said, you know, you should complain. So I did. I complained, and first they and I asked for a replacement, because it was, when they talked about it, they said how you can turn the drawers round. So like this is number 3 drawer, you can turn it round, and then it's just plain, it's not Christmassy, so you can use it throughout the year for storing bits and pieces. So I thought, well, that's nice, you know, to have on the side somewhere. So it's not like you're going to throw the box away. So anyway, I asked for replacement. They didn't have any. So they offered me a magazine, a Crochet Now magazine, which I subscribe to readily, so I've got it anyway. So I said no, I wasn't interested in that. I said I really wanted a replacement. I said, you know, just send me an empty box. But they said they couldn't do that. They said you either send it back, get a full refund, or you accept an offer from us. So I said, well, you know, sending it back isn't an option because I ordered it because I wanted it. So I wasn't very happy. But anyway, in the end, they offered to send me, I think it's the accessory pack. It's on the website, and it's the Bella Coco accessory pack, and I think it's $12.99. So they offered to send me that. So I haven't opened it yet, so I thought we'd open it together. Which, oh, yeah, I mean, it's very nice. I would have preferred an unbroken box, but it is what it is. So this is the accessory pack, which would normally be $12.99, and it includes 2 patches, 2 pin badges, and 2 sewing labels. So, yes, so don't know where or when I'll use them, but I got them for free. I did ask for a discount, but they wouldn't do that either. So this was the best I could get on them. So not perfect, because you know, a lot of these things you get in the Crochet Society kit anyway, and probably in my Advent there'll be loads of pin badges and crochet hooks and things like that. So so yeah, it is what it is. But I am looking forward to opening that, and that is what I will be doing, opening the drawers daily in the Vlogmas. So I've only pulled out drawer 3 just to try and mend it, and I didn't look inside, I didn't look underneath the yarn that was there, and I haven't looked in the other one, so it's going to be a nice surprise. So yeah, so it's a short video today. Hopefully when my daughter gets back from the post office, we're going to have a look at getting the tree out if we get a chance. But like I say, I am helping my husband grout the tiles, because the grouting dries so quickly, so you've got to have one person putting it all in and the other person coming along and cleaning up the tiles. So, and then he'll be able to screw all the sink and cupboards and shower cubicle and everything on, which will be great, because we've had to go to our other daughter's to have a shower and wash her hair and everything, so it's been a right pain. So yes, so look forward to seeing you tomorrow, first day of December, because today's the 30th of November, so tomorrow's the first day of Vlogmas, so I look forward to seeing you all. And yeah, so see you tomorrow. Bye for now.